Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching this video from and when you're watching this video. It's Elzenitho. Yeah, today we're going to be creating something. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. All right, so I downloaded these pictures from IG of Beverly, Naya, amazing actress. Like, she's stunning. So yeah, I was hoping to do something with it. I don't know what yet, but I'm just hoping to do something with it, right? I'm going to combine the power of Photoshop, the power of generative AI, and also bring in some elements that I might need or I might not need. I don't know yet. But first thing first, let's go to Photoshop, create a new file. I'm going to give it 4000 width, 4500 height, and let's call it Beverly the movie. So I think we can, yeah. Now, I mean, we've started already, so yeah, let's go. So first thing first, I think the first thing I would like to do is bring in one where she's seated on a chair, right? She's seated like a boss on a chair, and I think it's this one. But I like this one. This one. I like this one. I like this one. So let's bring in this. Let's just open it on Photoshop first. This is going to be a long tutorial because it's a freestyle tutorial. I don't know where it will end. We are going to do it together. So let's go. All right. So let me see what I can generate with this. I like what you had idea, but this one looks like an angle or something. I don't know. Let's check the second option. Second option looks better, but this does not look better. Yeah, third option is the best. Yeah, third option is the best. All right, so I'm going with the third option, and I'm going to close this. I'm going to merge and drag it into our design. It's quite large, so Control T. So let me see, I think I can bring in this one. Now I already scaled up the images, that's why it looks like the images are large. You can see they are 10 MB, 15 MB, 16 MB. Generally, normally when I downloaded it from IG, it was at least like probably 600 kilobytes, 400 kilobytes. But I used the tool upscaler. I think I already talked about it in my previous video. So if you do not know what upscaler is, just check my previous video and you would see it there. But yeah, let's do something with this. Cool. Nice. Yeah, I like this because it has like an opening here. Alright, so I'm going to use this. I'm going to blend it together, merge layers. Let me see if I can bring it up a little bit. Yeah, let's bring it up a little bit. Alright, awesome. Sorry, I got distracted a little bit there. So yeah, I will just work with anyone because I think they are basically the same. So merge layers. So we have Beverly in a wider frame, and this like this. So I'm going to try to select the subject. Let me see what I can do with this. Wait, I think it's the same. It's the same room. It looks like the same room. I think it might be a good one for us, but let's see what we can do. So first thing first, I'll just try to select what I can see first before going into what I can see. So yeah, I'll just try to select it like this. Then let me zoom in to the points. Yeah, you can see I already selected some things I'm not supposed to select. Okay. Alright, so let's just work with this and let's see what we can do with it. So I'm just going to control, first let me check our hair is selected properly. See, if I make a terrible mistake. So let's Control J and wow. I think you get the vibe now. You get where I'm going with this, right? So I'm going to just bring this up a little bit, you know, something like this. Yeah, I think I like this already. Alright, so Beverly is standing at the back of Beverly, and yeah, that's basically what we want to achieve. But yeah, I think don't worry, we'll find a way around it. But first thing first, let's try to start blending them together. Let's remove what needs to be removed first, which is this. Then let's blend it carefully. Alright, so you would see that the color tone is quite different. Like, I mean, it's very obvious that the color tone is different. So what we can do is we can select this one, go to adjustment, match color, then select source Beverly the movie, and where is our source? Our source is generative field 2, right? Did I say generative field 2? Yeah, generative field 2. Why is it giving us this? Okay, I'm coming. Okay, you can see it's blending properly a little bit, but I mean, let's just see. Alright, so let's just press OK. it's not perfect yet. It still needs this touch of purple, this shade, right? This shade of purple. So I'm going to do something. I'm going to like bring in a color. I'll bring it down here. I would select this. There's this purple vibe going on. Yeah, exactly, like something like this. Then I'll bring it up here. I would clip it to this. Then I'll give it sorry, I think soft light is nice. Yeah, soft light is nice. Then I can then drastically drop down. I think you can see the difference on the ground. Just the major thing is for the ground to blend properly. But yeah, I think we can make do with this. We can always like edit some other part of it later. But yeah, I like this already. Yeah, I like this already. So what I would just do is this. I would zoom in, make sure these parts are blurred off. Add some serious blur to it. Sorry, I don't want it to touch the face. Just the air. Oh yeah, this looks cool. This looks really cool. Okay, what else do you want to do? Let's press save our work. Let's just leave it like this. This is very nice actually. Highest thing you can do is bring in, let's go to PNG and bring in a flower vase, because Beverly is someone who loves beauty, care and stuff, and you know, flower is always, get my point. Yeah, let's look for one that is nice, one that would fit perfectly well. Yeah, I love this one. I don't know, I've used it before, but I love it. I don't know, I just love it. Yeah, I just love it. I'm going to download. All right, VLYG. All right, it's downloaded. So go to downloads and bring it in. Yeah, bring it somewhere here. You can even bring it behind the chair. But it's too bright, so we are going to reduce. I should bring it in front. Since she's using a blue bag, I don't know. Let me see. I'm not entirely sure where to place it. I think putting it at the back is actually nice. Yeah, it's nice. Let's do it like that. Create clipping marks, reduce the brightness. increase the contrast just slightly. Let's bring in our shade, right? Because I mean it has to have shade. It's a shade. It has to have shade because it is behind the chair. So just play, multiply, reduce slightly. You can see the difference. That's the power of light and shadow. Right. So talking about shadow, our chair should have some form of shadow here. So let me just apply this. Bring in shade. I think we just leave it somewhere here. Yeah. I think this works. This works. Alright, so I love how it's looking. It's looking pretty nice, pretty cool, you know. Beverly likes Nivea. I said she's the ambassador of Nivea, so I was thinking of putting it there, but it won't make sense because I mean it doesn't make sense. So what else can we do? This alone makes sense already, right? This alone makes sense. Well, let's see. All right, one more thing. On the vase, you need to also put shadow on just at the down part, right? Yeah. As well as just underneath it like this. So it's not just looking like it's floating or something. Yeah. So what else can we add to this? I mean, this looks good enough, but what else can we add to this? Let me see. So what we can do is we can add. I like the way this place. Sorry, let me come on. Okay, since it's blocking it already. Yeah, this is dope. This is dope. This is dope. This is dope. Sorry, let me check just to make sure that. I think you get what I'm trying to do. so it looks more realistic. But yeah, this is looking good to go. Let's introduce some color lookup. I just love using color lookup. Yeah. It's looking interesting. You can see the difference. You can see how realistic it looks now. So we can use this as, then reduce it. Alright, one more color lookup. Just one more. Yeah, so where are you? Foggy night. Boom. Do I want to use foggy nights? I don't think I want to use foggy nights. Even film stock, I don't think I want to use film. No. I think I'll just stick with. Before, after, before, after. I'm not looking for it to be too bright, so just something subtle. Yeah. So for the text, we're going to write Beverly. But this font is terrible, so we want a font that speaks class. And the best font to use is called Erotic. Yeah. Centralize. So we call it Beverly. We need a gold color. We need a gold color, or we can just even download gold. Can download gold. Instead of bringing it down, I think we can just put it at the back. So, but to put it at the back, we need to do something we have not done since morning, and that's what we need to select subject. Yeah, so we need to put it behind Beverly. So select the subject like this. This is part of it. Okay. Let's just say this is selected. Ctrl J. Then we can turn on the rest of our design, so that when we make Beverly very big, As it is, it can even stand like this because it looks pretty nice, but you want to put it behind. Want to put it behind just like this. Beverly. But the problem is this is not showing properly. So what do? The gold will work. The gold will work. That's where the gold comes in. So rasterize layer. I'm posting this today. I'm posting this today. So create clipping marks. Yeah, now the beautiful. Beautiful. But we want the gold to be uniform. You can see that there's this line showing under the Y, but we want the gold to be uniform. So yeah, now that's better. So let's go to blending option, bevel, contour, so it can look 3D-ish. Yeah, I think this makes sense. Beverly. So we need another text. We'll call it. I'm sorry. So I'll call it the movie. Ctrl K. Now this font should be a simple, clean font like our vertical. Don't judge me. I'm looking for where best to put it. I don't know. You know what? Let's just leave it as Beverly. Right. very sad. Nope, not working. I guess I'm tired. Alright, let's just run it off. So let me bring in my logo. So yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, I hope you like it, and I hope you like how it turned out. And this is where we're going to stop. I'm going to see you next time. Subscribe, share, comment, like, and let me know what else you would like us to do. If you have something like probably like something you'd like me to check out on Photoshop, just share it with me, and see you next time.